We're over $100 in profit from the trades that we enter, and we're still holding them.
Bro, that shit's loud.
So day 2, right now we are on the way to my shop, well, my friend's shop. We're gonna go check out my car right now, but today was an okay trading day. We last night we made about 200 points with US30, which I'll be showing you guys later tonight how that looked like. But other than that, we're gonna go check out my car. I'm gonna go tune this car, right? And then from there, we might go out and race a little bit if there's anything good. But other than that, I will be back home trading tonight around 1 a.m. I'll be trading, so we'll see how that goes. So, 12:34, send out a signal. I'm gonna go sit on my desktop right now, and we're gonna see how we're looking on those signals. But let's put this here. We also gotta update Warzone, so let's see. I need to get my chairs on the way, by the way. I got a new chair. This is an F1 Falcon trading computer. It's used in Wall Street, etc., etc. Okay, so this one upwards from what I know, as soon as it loads for me. So this one up, right, from this, it had a breakout towards the upside. In reality, it's just fucking consolidating. So we have a resistance at this period right here. If you want, you can come around. We have a resistance period right there at 32.80, right? So where's my marker? 32.80, so we gotta write down these type of things. I write them down at least to understand all my zones and stuff. So this is an A book broker, B book broker. I was explaining a few things to a few of my students, but resistance at 32.080, right? Very close to a period of 32.100, right? About a 20-point gap. Right, so right now what I want to see is where is support hitting, right, mostly from. Because when we look at this, right, and see this right here, right, we see that there's a break, right, from this right here, from this trend right here, there's a break, right? So when we look at this period here, from here to here, there's another break. There was a break towards the downside that then continued towards the upside. So I'm gonna draw out another trend line, right? And you're gonna realize that there's a break occurring right at this period right here. It's gonna start to break, right? And if we go into a lower time frame, right, there's just consolidation, obviously. But what I'm waiting for is maybe like a Forex pattern to occur more around 1 a.m. And from that Forex pattern, go in for a sell. Right, because if you start to measure this, obviously this is a 1 minute time frame. When you start to measure this, it's respecting resistance, resistance, resistance in a 1 minute time frame. From this period right here to this period right here, it's been about 58 minutes, so about 1 hour. We'll go into the 1 hour. Right, and in the 1 hour, that's how it looks like. It's all bullish, but bulls are losing momentum, right? So from this momentum loss, we could probably see one good red candle. From that, we'll enter. So we'll be trading a pullback tonight and see how that goes. Other than that, let's go look at the USD CAD. USD CAD fell extremely hard today. US30, we caught this sell yesterday. This was the trade yesterday that I was showing you guys, and then a previous sell to that. So I've been I've been like catching more of the pullback rather than the trend. Kind of funny, because I'm vice versa. I'm always with the trend rather than the pullback. But this today from here at 10 broke towards the upside extremely hard, and this right around 10 broke towards the downside extremely hard. So what does this show you? When you look at two charts like USD, CAD, and US30, you're gonna see that they correlate with each other or uncorrelate with each other. Let me show you what I mean by that. So we'll go here, right, and then press on USD CAD, right, and you're gonna see that sometimes they do not correlate with each other, right? So when they're not correlating with each other, if this is going in for a sell, this will go in for a buy. So what you want to look for is this right here, right? If you look at it very closely, look at the blue candle. All blue, all red. Look at the blue candle. It's starting to break up. So if it breaks up from that period right there, right? Or here, better to look at here. Went to the 10-minute chart. If right here from these blue candles, it starts to form a few blue candles and it breaks upwards, then that means this right here will start to break downwards. Why is this lagging? Cool. But pretty much, right now it's starting to break up, so we'll see what happens. 30 minutes. That's how long it's gonna take, 30 minutes for this to update. My friend in Sweden, it takes him like 3-4 hours. I'm gonna enter in a one lot sell. Stop loss will be at 110. Take profit will be at 50. 125. And then this will be at 110. 0.18.98. So yeah, I entered 2 sales in the market. I'm gonna enter quite a few more. So yeah, entered 4 sales. We'll see how they're doing. This has 27 minutes to go, so I guess I'm just gonna game plan what tonight's gonna look like. When you're holding a trade and you're waiting for Warzone to update, usually the best, I hate this chair, because usually with the other chair I would just recline it and just like take like a 10-minute nap. But in this case, we go to the couch. I'll take a 20-minute nap. We'll see how we're doing now. So currently we are at 100 and well, it was 160, now it's 123, we're over $100 in profit from the trades that we enter, and we're still holding them. We'll continue to hold. And currently we were at about $170 in profit. I haven't traded on this account since forever. I mean, this is one of the accounts I've been managing for a client. This is connected to over the last 5 months, right? So we're trading on it again today, and we'll see how it goes. Perfect. So check it out. Right here we entered in for a sell right up here, and the market dropped. So we're currently about 30 points in profit. Yeah, you see, 311. So that's 30 points in profit, and we'll continue to let it fall. And like I said, USD CAD, you see, breaking towards the upside, right? So you see it's breaking towards the upside as this is breaking towards the downside, right? And we still got a long ways to go with that, so